So after I had all the wool wrapped on both sides, I wrapped it up in the placemat and then wrapped it up in the towel, and I rolled it like this until I got really tired and worn out. And I did it for about 3 minutes, and then I opened it up, did it the other way, and I turned it 90 degrees, did it the other way, and it's starting to cinch up, which you can already kind of see. And it's nice to actually take a little break, otherwise your back can like get really tired. And I'll take it home and do a couple more rounds with like really, really hot water. But you can see already, I don't even have to worry about the template being in place anymore because it's already starting to cinch up nice and tight. So the final kicker is like the cold wash, and then you slap it down in your bathtub and it really cinches up. And right after that, you want to cut the hole, put it on your foot, and then it's going to just form exactly to your own foot, like your own skin. So you can kind of see some of the little plants I got in there and some of the nice textures and the silk kind of bunching up. And on the inside, of course, it'll be the inversible blue ocean pattern that I made for that. So it looks a little bit funky now, but it's going to all tighten up and get really small, get a lot smaller, and then just stop cinching up under the form of my foot at the final stage. And that's where I'm going to cut it right there. Yay! So you can kind of see that how it's starting to get tight.
Oh yeah, Leah.